Jeff Gadick from Leisure Group Travel and Insight Newsletter here, and with me is Jon Gerlach from our Travel Protector. John, how you doing?
Fine, Jeff. Thank you. How are you?
I'm doing very good. John, we've had the insurance program for Insight subscribers for a couple years now and have had a nice gain both in new members that are joining as well as acceptance of the program. With all the different insurance programs out there, why do you think that is?
Well, our Travel Protector has several advantages over the insurance plans that are offered by the tour operators and the cruise lines. I think it's those advantages that are causing the increased participation that we're seeing. The big one, of course, is we provide insurance against the financial default of the tour operator or the cruise line. And we have seen a few major financial defaults in the last few years.
That's I think one of the issues with tour operators is that by and large they can't protect themselves against their own demise. So if you're buying insurance from a tour operator, if they file for bankruptcy, typically your travel insurance does not kick in. Is that true?
That's true, because once they're out of business, there's no one that's going to pay you your non-refundable trip costs. And that's what the insurance company does under our policy.
Okay. Why else is our Travel Protector important?
Well, for a number of reasons. It's easy to use. We have an optional benefit called cancel for any reason. We call it a bad hair day. You don't have to go on your trip, and we don't care what the reason is. If you buy that optional protection, you get 75% of your non-refundable trip cost paid back to you in cash. Now, if you look at what the cruise lines do, many of them give you a voucher for future travel. Some tour operators do the same thing. When we're talking about group business, is what we have here, how many travelers, if they cancel, are going to want to take the trip again by themselves as opposed to with the group?
Yeah, very true.
So we pay the cash. They can use the cash for whatever they want.
All new for this year, we've launched a new website, ourtravelprotector.com, much improved over the previous version, better navigation, easier to access the different plans, whether you're buying individual travel insurance, group travel insurance, forms. What have you seen about it that's improved from the previous version?
I like the navigation. It feels good. It's easy to use. All the resources are there, your waiver form, your certificates. It's just all there.
Well, anybody, group travel organizer, really from any sort of group. We have religious groups, student groups, tour groups that are joining. There is no fee to join, and I can see why it's very popular.
Yeah, all you need to do is get a free subscription to Insight Newsletter, and you're good to go.
Okay, well, thank you very much, John. Good to catch up with you.